So in my first video matter 1 I already showed. Now this is second video, children. So here the water that dissolves in the solute is called as solvent. So this is called as solvent. Can you see sugar down? Nothing. No, it has got dissolved. So this type of solutions, so this is called as solution. Okay, so this type of solutions are called, wherein the solids that dissolve completely in water are called soluble substances. Sugar and salt are soluble substances, children. Sugar got dissolved. No, see, you can't see any sugar here. It got dissolved in the water. So these are called soluble substances. And like the solids that do not dissolve in water are called non-soluble, that is insoluble substances. The see, they do not dissolve. Example is best example is sand. So if you put a sand and dissolve, will the sand get dissolved in the water like now just sugar dissolved? No, it won't dissolve. Never, it will never dissolve. Sand will not dissolve in water. Okay, you would have seen in the like when you went outside also for outings, you would have seen the sand will be outside only, it won't dissolve in water. So that is those are called as insoluble substances. This is a soluble substance. Now we will see the empty spaces in between the water molecules on the board, children. Just have a look. Go. See, children. So here you can see the empty spaces in between the water molecules. This is a normal water, glass of water. I showed you just now. This is the molecule arrangement will be like this in that water. When you add sugar, now the molecular arrangement will be like this. So red color circles I have drawn. No, this is nothing but the molecules of sugar. It will get dissolved in the water and you can't see anything. Down residue you can't see. The total sugar gets dissolved in the water. So the sugar molecules got adjusted in the water molecules like this. This is only the best example, and for the soluble substances and the sugar molecules fill up the empty spaces. That's why you can't see the sugar. The sugar gets dissolved in the water. So this is the best example of the soluble substances. What about the insoluble sand? Sand will not get dissolved in water. So that's why they are called best example for the insoluble substances. Okay, clear? Now just I would like to share some information with you, children. That is, when butter and wax melt, when you heat them on the pan, what will happen, children? Iron also melts on heating, but it has to be heated much more than the butter or wax. See this, you can see here, no? That is, this is done in a factory only, children, in a furnace. So the iron gets melted very like it will get melted in the factory in a very high temperature. Okay, not at normal temperature like mummy will cook in the stove, on the stove in the kitchen. No. Okay, so very high temperature, it is heated, then the iron gets, what happened? Melts on heating. So, and this is done in a factory in a furnace, children. Furnace is nothing but a equipment in which the things can be heated. So this cannot be done at home or in the school. Clear, children? So this is the end of our lesson, and this is the saturated solution. Just now I showed you the practical also, and I would like to share some more information with you. That is why, because the sugar gets dissolved in water only, that is called as a saturated solution. You can see the spelling also, SATURATED, saturated solution. That means when the water molecules are now filled with the sugar molecules, there is no more sugar to dissolve in the water. So such a solution is called as a saturated solution. I have showed you on the board also just now. See, this solution is called as a saturated solution. What is it called? Saturated solution. Okay, so I will give you some more 2-3 points for this. Matter is anything that takes up space and has weight, and the matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Solid, liquid and gas are 3 states of matter. Heating and cooling causes changes in the state of matter. Some solids dissolve in a liquid to form a what, children? Solution. అర్థమైంది కదా నాన్న? ఇది మ్యాటర్, ఇది పార్ట్ 2 అనమాట. మ్యాటర్కి మొత్తం అంతా ఒకదానిలో చెప్పడం నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు, మీకు ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉంటుందని 2 పార్ట్స్లో చెప్పాను. ఓకేనన్నా, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా చూపించండి, చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంది. నేను అన్ని ప్రాక్టికల్ చూపించా, ఊరికే మాట్లాడుతూ కూర్చోలేదు మీతో. స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్, సొల్యూషన్, సాచురేటెడ్ సొల్యూషన్, సాల్వెంట్, సొల్యూట్, చేంజెస్ ఇన్ ద స్టేట్ అన్నీ మాట్లాడాను. మీకు సాలిడ్ లిక్విడ్ గ్యాసెస్ చూపించాను. సో మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా ఈ వీడియో చూపించండి. హ్యాపీగా చదువుకోవచ్చు. చదువుకుని సోదిలాగా ఉండదు నాన్న. అప్లికేటివ్ చూపించాను మీకు అన్ని ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్తో. సో ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ దిస్ వీడియో, ప్లీజ్ లైక్, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.